Wow, whoa, you know what I say, fake it till we make it? This was what they were talking about. Like, you guys, can you believe this is crochet? Like, can you tell this is crochet, you guys? Like, I did the undetectable crochet braid for the very first time and it came out looking so beautiful and all natural. So, you guys, before jumping into this video, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. Now, let's get into it. Okay. So as you can see, I already put my hair in a cornrow, you guys, and I cornrowed like the back of my hair. I have two curved cornrows, like that's because I wanted to be able to put my hair in a ponytail once I'm done with the style. And yeah, you guys, so the hair I'm gonna be using today's video is from Youngther hair store on Amazon, and this is the Afro Spring hair. And you guys, the length of this hair is 24 inches, and I received this hair in 9 packs. I ended up using 6 packs of hair on this look, you guys. And yeah, the color is color 1B. So before anything else, I went ahead and take my black castor miracle oil to oil my scalp, just to make sure my scalp is not feeling so dry before putting on the crochet, you guys. Like, if you follow me, you know that I always do this. So this one right here is their separated Afro Spring tweet, and I take a strand of hair and I'm gonna be dividing it into 4, you guys. So taking my crochet pin, I'm just going to be placing it on my head like this, making it to face downward, just as I'm doing right here. And then I'm going to insert the crochet hair, pull it out, and then take one pass just like I'm doing right here, and then pull it through, you guys. That way it will tie the knot at the middle instead of the bottom, you guys. So with this technique, your crochet hair is going to be, you know, invisible. So just watch me as I do this. I'm still gonna show you again. All right. Take a crochet pin, pull it through your natural hair. Inside your crochet hair, take one pass of hair and pass it through the loop, and then just, you know, tie the knot, you guys. Does that even make sense? I don't know what I'm saying right now, but just watch me as I do this. I'm going to be repeating this method uh all around my hair, like the first 2 cornrows that I have around my hair, you guys. So you guys just watch. And if you're new here, you're welcome, you guys. My bad, sorry I didn't do any intro, you guys. And make sure you subscribe and share this video if you love what you're watching. Okay.
Say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make ya look back. Move that, way ya move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar.
So now that I'm done with the back of my head, this is how it's currently looking like. Can you see anything? We're not even done. We're not done, you guys. So if you know that you're gonna be putting your hair only on ponytail, like you're just gonna be tie your hair down on ponytail, you can decide to just do these techniques all around your hair and just leave the middle, and you can just be tying your hair up if you so desire, you guys. So now I'm just going to complete the remaining parts right here, and at the center of my hair we're going to be doing the normal crochet braid. So watch me as I do this, you guys. Okay.
In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in every grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad man.
So now I'm just basically doing the normal crochet we all used to do, you guys. And right now I'm dividing a strand of hair into 5 parts, you guys. Like, you know how this afro hair of a teen used to be. It is so big right now, and I started dividing my hair into 5 parts, like a strand of hair into 5 parts. So at the front part, as you can see me do right here, I'm just still going to repeat the same method that we did earlier. Just crochet your hair and then pull only one part through and tie the knot. Like I'm doing this part because this is where I'm going to be parting my hair, you guys. So I need the parts to be invisible as it could be, you guys, if that is making sense right now. So yeah, as you can just see me do, just do the same process we did earlier at the front of the hair, and your crochet hair is going to be looking so natural and undetectable, you guys. This is how the front of my hair is currently looking like, and I'm just going to finish the inside with the normal crochet braid, you guys. So now that I'm done crocheting my hair, this is how it looks like. Can you see this, my parting area? This was the reason why I did the invisible part on this place, you guys. Like I want to be able to, part my hair on this area and it still looks all natural. So this is the back of my hair. The hair is so full right now, and I'm so loving it. Like, yeah, right now I want to hair spray some water on the hair and just use it to kind of bring the hair down a little, just to soften it a bit. So now I went ahead and tie my hair in a ponytail, you guys, and then use my scissors to trim out the hair that I wanted to be out. And this is how the front of my hair is looking right now. Like now the work has to be done. Okay, so whenever you pull your hair on the ponytail, the front of your hair is gonna look like this. Like we didn't have much hair at the front, just so that your hair will kind of look natural at the end of the day. So now taking this my hair brush, I'm just going to use it to drag those hair to the front, like just as I'm doing right here. Just do it gently. The back hair is going to remain unshakable because the cornrow we have at the back is curved and it is not going anywhere. Okay, so now this is all that I have to share with you in today's video. If you enjoy watching this video, like, go ahead and give your girl a huge thumbs up, share this video to your friends and your loved ones, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your post notification so that way you're gonna be notified whenever I upload a new video. You will come and check your girl out. Okay, so this is all that I have to share with you today's video, you guys. All the links regarding this hair is down on the description below, and you can click on the description to check out the hair. Okay, you can use this hair to make different styles like logs and passion twist. Today I just decided to do something different. Okay, so this is all that I have to share with you today's video. I love you guys. Stay safe and always stay beautiful. Till next time, see you guys. Bye.